See, today we learn about triangle. Triangle means it is a polygon having three sides, three vertices. See, it is a triangle A, B, C. Three angles are A, B, C. These are angles. Sides AB. Sides means edges. Edges. It is AB, BC, CA. AB, BC, CA. Angles. Angles A, angle B, angle C. And what are the other features? You can say angle A equal to BAC. BAC. Angle B, ABC. Angle C like that. What is angle C? BCA. So, how you can say it? In the middle portion, the angle you mention it, the C angle means it should be in the middle portion when you naming it BCA. And say C, BC sides are side you know, angles you know, and what are the other features? Let me explain. In a triangle, yes. What are the other angles? Types of triangles. Isosceles, scalene, equilateral. These are types. Isosceles, scalene, equilateral. So, what is isosceles? These types are according to the types, according to the sides, isosceles, scalene, equilateral. Isoscale according to the equilateral triangle. Equilateral means equal, all sides are equal. If a triangle having all sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. Suppose a triangle, its all sides are 3, 3, 3. Christian. So it is equilateral. If what is scalene triangle? Scalene means if all sides are unequal. It is scalene. Suppose 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Its lengths are 3 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. All sides are measurements of all sides unequal. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Unequal. So this is a scalene triangle. What is isosceles? Isosceles triangle. If in a triangle any of two sides are equal, suppose it is 3 cm, another is 5 cm. So here any two sides. If you take in a triangle ABC, if BC equal to CA, any two sides equal, so it is isosceles triangle. So according to the side. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me explain according to the angles. If you have any doubt, you can ask. let me explain according to the angles. Okay, according to the angles. What are they? If all angles are acute, first you should know what is acute, what is obtuse, another is right angle. Okay, so let me explain these all types. Acute means if a angle is between 0 degree and 90 degree, 0 degree and 90 degree, means not a 0 degree, not a 90 degree. 90 degree is right angle. What is? It is right angle. 0 degree is zero angle. So, if I say, what are the example of acute angle? You can say from 1 degree to 89 degree. Understand?
Yes, sir.
From 1 degree to 89 degree. All angles are acute. And what is obtuse? Obtuse angle from 91 degree to obtuse 91 degree to 179 degree. Obtuse. If I say, tell me an example of obtuse angle, you can say 91 degree, 92 degree, 93 degree, 94 degree, 169 degree, 178 degree. These are obtuse angle. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Right angle. Right angle, what is right angle? Right angle is right angle. First you know right angle. Right angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. If it is a straight line upon this, it is 90 degree. It is a right angle. Okay, these are the basic thing you know. These are the basic thing you already know, I think. Let me explain what are the other special features of triangle. According to the angle, the names are three types. These are three types. Right angle triangle, according to the angle. You know right angle? Right angle triangle. Another one is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. And the last one is acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle, BC. Right angle triangle, it is if in a triangle, if it is a 90 degree, any one angle is 90 degree. Any one angle, you can draw like this. Any one angle is 90 degree. It is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Yeah. Here it is also 90 degree. So all three triangles are right angle triangle. Understand?
Yes, sir.
But here one question arises. Example, in a how many right angles? Question is how many right angles can be in a triangle? How many right angles can be in a triangle? Only one. Answer is
Only
only one. How? If two right angles are there, 90 plus 90, 180 degree. 90 plus 90, 180 degree. Sum of two angles 180. It is not possible. In a triangle, you know that the basic property is sum of all three angles. Sum of all three angles is 180 degree. Sum of all three angles is 180 degree. If two right angles are there, 90 plus 90, it is 180 degree. So it is not possible. It is not possible. So answer is 1. How many right angles can be in a triangle? Answer is 1. See what is obtuse angle? I already said that. I already have said that right angle is right angle. And now you know, we are going to know obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means from 91 degree to 179 degree. You can ask me, sir, what is 180 degree? 180 degree is the angle is right. Right. No, it is right angle. It is straight angle. Straight angle. From 0 degree to 180 degree. It is a straight angle. You can measure it. It is 180 degree. So from 91 degree to 179 degree, all are obtuse angle. See, all are obtuse angle. Let me explain what is obtuse angle triangle. Its condition is if any one of the angle is obtuse, only one of the angle of any part is obtuse angle, it is obtuse angle triangle. Only one. For example, if in a triangle ABC, it is suppose 91 degree, minimum obtuse angle is 91 degree. So 91 degree, another is sum of all two other two angles is 180 degree minus 91 degree. It is 89 degree. So you know that if one angle of a triangle is obtuse angle, then sum of other two angle is acute angle. If sum of all other two angle is acute angle, then you can easily know that the other two angles are each of acute angle. Other two angles are acute angle. Obviously, how? You see that 180 degree minus 91 degree, it is 89 degree. 89 degree. Sum of two angles is 89 degree. If sum of two angles is 89 degree, you can easily know that these two angles are acute angles. So condition is in the obtuse angle triangle, only one angle is any one of a triangle should be obtuse. It must be obtuse. Then you can say it is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, let me explain acute angle triangle. What is acute angle triangle? What is acute angle triangle? All angles should be acute. Means all angles should be less than 90 degree. All angles should be less than
90 degree.
90 degree. 30. 45 plus 30. It is 75 degree. Then what is the other angle? Measurement of other angle is 180 degree minus 75 degree. 180 degree minus 75 degree is 105 degree. So it is a 105 degree. It is not a acute angle. It is not a acute angle. Why? Because one angle is obtuse angle. One angle is obtuse angle. Okay. So it is not a acute angle. Triangle. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Will be question after 2-3 days. Okay. Next session. Next session I will ask some question. Try to answer the question. It's over.